welcome back to Ceramics with me, Miss Kane. Today we're going to be talking about another hand building technique, and this one is slab construction. So when we do any kind of slab construction, we roll out thin pieces of clay, cut them to the shape we want, and then join them together to form our project. It's kind of like building with walls of clay. As always, you want to go ahead and start with a sketch. Next, you're going to make a template for each section of your lantern. You can see I need one base and 4 sides that are the same. Now, there are 2 ways to roll out a slab. If you have a slab roller, that's going to be your preferred method. If you don't have a slab roller, go ahead and get out a rolling pin. Make sure that you flip it over and roll both sides. If you've used a slab roller or rolled out your clay on a canvas, it's going to be textured. So make sure you smooth that out before you start building anything with it. The next step is to place your template on top of your slab of clay and then cut around it almost like you are using a cookie cutter. Continue the process until you have all of your pieces cut out. Next, I like to go in and refine all the edges of my pieces and make sure they are all really smooth. In order to join our pieces together smoothly, we need to create a miter joint, which means that we cut all of our edges at a 45-degree angle. Your slabs must be leather hard before you join them. If they are too soft, they will just fall down. Make sure you score your slabs really well because they are already leather hard. The final step is to cut out your pierced design. You can think of this as kind of like carving a jack-o'-lantern at Halloween time. Make sure you go in and scrape out all of the rough edges or loose pieces from the inside, as well as smoothing out all of the edges on the outside of your design. And now it's your turn.